If you want something that will help target those dark spots and hyperpigmentation that you have on your skin, I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on another skincare product, and we have a sponsor for today's video. It's none other than Saturn, and they were kind enough to sponsor this video. You guys must have seen me reviewing quite a lot of their products, and today I'm going to be reviewing their Alpha Arbutin serum. So in case if you guys want to know what I feel about this serum and how I achieve that overall glow and even tone skin, then please continue watching. It retails for 799 rupees and you get 30 ml of product in this serum, and it has 2% alpha arbutin, 0.2% kojic acid. Alpha arbutin is a plant-derived natural agent used widely in skincares for reducing dark spots and any kind of hyperpigmentation on your skin. And kojic acid is another ingredient which targets any kind of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and also sun damage. And studies also show that kojic acid can reduce the signs of aging as well, like wrinkles, fine lines, which is great. I mean, who wants to age? Am I right? I mean, aging is quite inevident, but process को slow कर सकते हो तो क्या ही problem है, right? So I've been using this product for quite a while now, and I have absolutely no makeup on my face except my eyebrows, not even lip balm today. And this is the one skincare product that I was using continuously in my skincare routine, and I feel like my videos are a proof of how well and how nice my skin has been looking over the past few videos. If you see, my skin has been glowing. The dark spots and all those hyperpigmentation I have on my face has also gone down drastically, which I have to commend Saturn and especially this product. I also love that this one has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera in it. Hyaluronic acid is great for retaining and holding that moisture into your skin, and aloe vera is supposed to be really calming yet moisturizing at the same time. So while it's definitely targeting on your dark spots and hyperpigmentation, it is also making sure that your skin is hydrated. The fact that I really love about Saturn as a brand is their packaging. All of their products come in this dark packaging. At least their skincare product comes in this kind of dark packaging, which makes the product so stable. Now I have been using this product for 2 months now, like on and off, I'm going to be completely honest, but almost शुरू के first month में तो मैं religiously इसको use कर रही थी. The first time I opened it, and even now that I see it, it's not oxidized whatsoever. Kudos to the packaging itself. They've really put in thought into making this packaging work really well so that the product that is inside the packaging does not get oxidized, because skincare, a lot of times when they come into contact of air and sun exposure, it does tend to get oxidized. But I have noticed with Saturn that all of their products are very stable and none of them have oxidized on me, so that's very great. I would like to commend them on that. And my overall experience with this product has been nothing but great. It has worked really well. I just dim the light so that you guys can see my natural skin. Dark circles ko chhod ke, I feel like I do not have any kind of hyperpigmentation or any kind of discoloration on my face, which proves the point that this definitely works. This one does have fragrance to it, yes, but the fragrance is so mild, and that's the only con in this product, that all of their skincare products does have a little bit of a fragrance to it, if I'm going to be completely honest, and you guys know my stance on fragrances in skincare, so that's something that bugs me a little bit. But at the same time, I've got to mention that I haven't noticed any kind of breakout or any kind of irritation. I use this mostly in my nighttime skincare routine, and it has worked amazingly well with all the products that I put on top of it. It's great. I mean, I have been loving the results. Works magic. The more you use it, the more you'll start seeing results, and I'm saying that only because I've been using this for the past 2 months now, almost 2 months now. I have been absolutely loving it, and I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out in case if you haven't already. If you want something that will help target those dark spots and hyperpigmentation that you have on your skin, I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. The link to this product will be mentioned down in my description box below, so don't forget to check it out, along with a discount code which you guys can use on their website, which will give you additional discount. And thank you so much, Saturn, for sponsoring this video and being the honest supporter of my channel and keeping this channel afloat. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.